I mean, I can't predict the future, but I personally no, I don't think so. I think it's definitely shown that it can enhance our jobs and probably maybe it'll have an impact on the number of programs that you'll see at organizations. But I kind of get the feeling that it'll probably just make us more productive, which means we'll just end up writing more code. So, yeah.
Yeah, so to be used as a tool alongside the dev rather than
I
replacing the
think
dev.
so.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Do you concur with that, Cam, or have you got a different view?
Yeah, no, my response would be identical. It just makes you a lot more productive. It lowers the barrier to entry. Like if I'm coding, I will have ChatGPT on one screen and I will have Copilot in my IDE. So Copilot being the thing that predicts, it's almost like if you're learning to code, don't have that stuff there. And sometimes I will consciously say, this is not helpful right now, and I got to turn off this and go back to thinking through the problem. But in many instances, what we're doing, we're solving. We are working through solved problems. We have an interface, communicate with the database, show it. Those are solved problems. So why not use a tool that helps you do that much quicker, much quicker?
Yeah, right.
That's a good
Um,
answer.
yeah, absolutely. And it's really good to know too, because it is something I think that's becoming more and more of a concern as we see it kind of more and more in the news, essentially. Yeah.
Sorry, I would
Um,
add as well, though, that AI cannot do the high level complex thinking of this part connects to this part. It cannot do that. That's creativity and that's being an engineer.